The Lefant M210 Pro Omni is a robotic vacuum and mop system purpose-built for navigating the spatial constraints of small to medium-sized apartments. Measuring 28 centimeters in diameter, the chassis is engineered with a compact footprint and low profile, allowing it to traverse tight corridors, negotiate chair and table legs, and clear low-hanging furniture where larger robotic vacuums typically stall. The underside of the unit deviates from standard robotic design by omitting a traditional rotating brush roll. Instead, it utilizes a dedicated suction port configuration that relies entirely on high-velocity airflow to ingest debris. This design completely eliminates hair wrapping and tangling around mechanical components, substantially reducing the manual maintenance overhead typically required for pet hair or long fibers. Autonomous navigation is driven by a top-mounted LiDAR sensor array that scans environments in real time to construct precise, multi-floor layout maps rather than utilizing random bounce algorithms. This is paired with the upgraded PSD 2.0 obstacle avoidance system, which incorporates multiple wide-angle sensors to detect low-lying obstacles, optimize paths around objects, and negotiate threshold transitions up to 12 millimeters. The device connects across both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi bands alongside automated Bluetooth pairing via the companion application. The mobile interface functions as the central command node, enabling users to isolate specific rooms for targeted cleaning, establish digital no-go boundaries around sensitive areas like cables or pet bowls, and schedule cleaning routines. The software also permits incremental adjustments to suction thresholds and mopping saturation levels, and supports hands-free integration with Alexa and Google Assistant ecosystems. The cleaning system simultaneously addresses dry debris and wet stains through an integrated dual-action workflow. Debris removal is powered by an ultra-high 18,000 Pascal suction port supported by dual-side brushes that sweep particulate matter from edges into the primary intake path, handling everything from fine dust to heavier items like rice or dry noodles. For hard floors, the unit incorporates a high-speed rotating roller mop system that continuously feeds fresh water across the floor surface to lift dried stains, such as spilled tea, rather than dragging a saturated, dirty cloth pad across the home. Powering these functions is an internal battery delivering up to 120 minutes of runtime per charge cycle. When the cleaning routine concludes, the robot docks at a fully automated base station equipped with a 1.8-liter freshwater reservoir and a 1.2-liter wastewater containment tank. The station initiates an automated self-cleaning cycle that scrubs the roller mop, replenishes the onboard water tank, and evacuates dirty water into the waste storage. Debris collection is managed via a bagless 800 milliliters internal dust container capable of storing roughly a week of waste, removing the ongoing cost of proprietary disposable paper bags while operating under low acoustic levels tailored for apartment living.